Hi guys, welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. We had a great question. Somebody was asking, they created a page on their Divi site and they want to use it as a squeeze page or a splash page. In other words, it wants to be a long page with some content on it. This isn't one, but this is long enough to do. Where people scroll down at the end, you've got a call to action and want them to buy something or purchase something. You don't want them to have the footer on there or the header so that they can navigate to other parts of the site. You just want to be able to click on your call to action. So really easy way of removing the header and footer. I'll just demonstrate with this page here. It's going to be a very short video today. Once you've created your page, obviously, hit the little edit page button, and you can do this when you first set up your page. So we're not editing with Divi, we're editing with the native WordPress editor here. When you get to the page, you'll find a little sidebar here. Now, if it's not there, and it looks like this, go up to the top, you'll see some icons there. The middle icon, if you just left click on it, it's going to pull that in for us. If we roll down here, if we look at the template, it's set to default template. Now, the default template will pull in the header and footer. If I left click on that now and switch the default template to blank page, and we save draft or we publish, and we'll hit the view button on desktop, preview. And there we have it. As you can see, it's got no header on there. It's just the content from the page. So you can put your squeeze content or landing content on there, come down to a call to action. They've got no footer or anything. The only thing that they can do is click on that or leave. Really easy way to make your splash pages or landing pages. And at any time you can switch that back by just hitting the edit page. Go back down and do the reverse where it says template down there. We've got it blank page. We can flip it back quite easy to the default template. We'll hit publish or save draft again. Again, we'll preview. As you can see, we've got our header back there and our footer down at the bottom there. So I hope that's answered that question. That's how to turn one of your regular pages into a splash page or landing page with no header and footer. Really easy to do, as you can see. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Now, don't forget, if you have any questions either about Divi 4 or Divi 5, and this process is exactly the same for both, pop them down below. I'll do my best to answer them for you, or make another little demo video just like this one. So once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.